What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax. Today we're coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg wildlife crossing update. Another big storm has come and gone, and that means we got to take a look at the work site over here at the world's largest wildlife crossing to see what type of damage is done with all that water dropping and seeing how they're cleaning up through the next couple of weeks. Storms weren't as big as the ones that we got earlier on this year and over the winter time, but it's still a significant amount of rainfall that may or may not be delaying the progress that they need to be making on this site in the very, very near future. On that note, it is peanut ear time for the co-pilot. It's a little chilly out, buddy. Let's go ahead and warm it up. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Comment on the video for better or for worse. Thumbs up the video, give us a sub if you haven't already. All that goes a long ways, keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.